Welcome back to Weird Stuff in a Can. A fellow YouTuber is calling for my help. Quick, to the shrimp cave.
In my spare time, I collect and restore old PCs and hardware. I picked up an old Dell speaker and subwoofer system. I do have a small problem with it, however. The fact that it's missing the volume knob from the top of the subwoofer. I tried hard to source a replacement, but they're just nowhere to be found. There's only one person I know who could conjure up something in his own unique way, and that's our friend Atomic Shrimp.
Okay, so do you remember this stuff? This is rainbow plywood. I made this out of lollipop sticks, which I bought at Poundland, and I stuck them together with polyester resin from a car repair shop. And it's actually gone absolutely rock solid now. I did have a little bit of problem with the resin curing initially, but there's no doubt that that is fully cured now. And I never got round to doing anything with this, so I think we will probably use this in today's project. so there's the finished object. It's a bit weird and a bit quirky, but I think I didn't really know what I was setting out to make, but hopefully that'll be okay. I've left the bottom just as an unfinished hole. And Paul, you'll be able to use some of this epoxy putty. Just jam some of that in the hole, put it on top of your little half-round spindle, and then leave it to set there, and that will enable you to get an exact fit on that spindle. So this is the first time I've actually worked with oyster shell. It's not exactly mother of pearl, but it has got a little bit of a luster to it, so that's quite nice. The natural imperfections of the oyster shell did come out there when I was sanding it smooth, but that's just a feature of the material, I guess. So there we go, that's on its way to Paul now at Peejay Play, and we'll see what he makes of it. So there's also going to be a little surprise in the package for him to do a guest episode of Weird Stuff in a Can. If you want to watch Paul on Peejay Play unpack this, follow the link in the description or this card. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.